times yards times yards. All right, this shape is made of two different rectangular prisms. So we're going to do our length, width, and height. It doesn't matter if you get them in the wrong order because the commutative property says it doesn't matter, it's multiplication. Then you're going to find your next one. Now this one only gives us one little measurement. So I need to know what this is. Oops, sorry. Well, this is the same as I don't know why that arrow is pointing there. Oh, there it is right there. This is the same as this because it's a parallelogram. The sides are the same. So we're going to go ahead and do 2 times, we're going to go ahead and do it times 3. So we have 2, we have this little one, 0.2, and now we need this side. Well, it's the same. Oh, I see what they're doing because there's 2 of them. I'm just going to go ahead and write the whole thing out because I don't. Times 0.2. All right, so we actually have 2 of the same rectangular prisms. All right. So excited to be done with all of our hard math. I'm making mistakes. And it's 0.88 and 0.88, 1.76 meters cubed. All right. So if we look at this one, we have 2 different rectangles. We have the top one, which they already gave us the base and the height. So we're doing 126 times 11, 1386. Then we're doing 2 times 9 times 5. Oh, that was this one. 2 times 9 times 5, which is 90. Then we're going to add them together. Doesn't matter what order because of the commutative property of addition. And we get 1,476. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, we are going to do one problem together. And let's see, which one should we do? Let's do number 3, because it looks like it might be the hardest one. All right, so I have a little bottom rectangle. This is similar to the L'Arc de Triomphe one. I have another little rectangular prism over here, and I have a really big rectangular prism here. All right, so this side is 4, this side is 3, and the height is 2. This one is exactly the same. Now we need our top one. We know this is 12. We know this is 2. Now I need this right here. Well, this space is a parallelogram. So if this is 4, this is 4. All right, 3 times 4 is 12, times 2 is 24. So this one's 24. 12 times 2 is 48. Times 4 is 60. 60 plus 48 is 108 centimeters cubed. Let's do one more. Let's jump down to number 7. All right. So we have this right here that's a 3, which means this is a 3. which means this one is a 3. So our top rectangular prism is a 3 by 3 by 2. All right, now we need our bottom one. Base times height. Here's your base. Which one of these numbers is the height, or how tall it is? 2. All right, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4 problems, and you're going to use a calculator. And I'll put a key up on your practice for this too. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 practice problems. The homework is optional. And please complete your review. Look at all this vocabulary in here. Use your vocabulary chart. That's why it's there. Vocabulary is huge in geometry. Then you're going to classify your shapes as regular or not regular, and you can use R and NR. Then you're going to describe your attributes, so your sides and your angles, and abbreviate away. Then you're going to name the quadrilateral, and it might have more than one name. So I'll give you a clue. This one will have 1, 2, 3 names. This one will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different names that you could call this. All right, describe the faces, edges, and vertices, and you can simply write FEV, and you're going to name or identify the three-dimensional shape. And finally, you have some practice problems. There's 22 total. All right. I highly recommend you complete your review, and then you go and check it with my key. And if you have any issues at all, you're going to schedule a one-on-one Zoom meeting with me Monday before you take your Edulastic, so that you can make sure that you're prepared. All right, congratulations on a great year. You guys have truly amazed me every step of the way. Hope you guys have a wonderful Friday, and I will see you all at graduation for sure.